The device in my hand is a Redmi phone running on MIUI 12, and in this video we are going to show you some of the how to use the button shortcuts in this one. For doing this you must take out the additional settings. Here you can see here it is written gesture shortcuts, and under the section you can see need other setting button shortcuts. You must click this button shortcuts. Now we have the option long press the menu button, long press the back button, power plus home, power plus menu, power plus back menu, etc. So if you, I'll show you. For example, if you want to take a screenshot by pressing the back button, that is long press the back button, you must click this none here, and here you can have the option to launch camera, take screenshot, launch Google Assist, close current app, turn on torch, show menu, etc. And if you select take a screenshot, and after that if you long press this back button, we know that this is the back button, and if you long press this back button for a few seconds, then you can see that. So if you long press, then you can see that the screenshot have been taken here. Now we know that this is the power key in our phone, and this is the back key. And if suppose if you click this power plus back and option, and if you choose launch camera by pressing this power plus back option, then if you press this two keys, that is if you press this power button and this that is one of your finger in this power button and another finger in this back button. So if you press like this, then the camera will be launched. Okay, you can see that the camera have been opened here. Now we know that this is the back button and this is the menu button. So this is the menu button, and suppose if you want to choose this option, that is long press the menu button to turn on the torch, must select this here, turn on torch. So we choose here long press the menu button to turn on torch. So if you select this, and after that if you click, this is the menu button, if you click this menu button here for a few seconds, then you can see that the torch light in your phone have been turned on. Then you can see this is the home button. We know this is the home button, this is the back button, this is the home button, and this is the menu button. And if you choose the long press the home button to turn off screen, if you choose like this, and if you press this home button for few seconds, then you can see that the screen have been turned off. If you don't wish to set up any button shortcuts, then you can simply select here and choose none. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.